If your little bedroom is also the place you eat, work, sims, and chill, then it's probably the perfect time to upgrade your situation. Don't worry though. You don't have to blow that savings to get your Martha Stewart on. Something as easy as adding pillows or a soothing plant child in that empty corner can take the aesthetic of your space from 0 to 100 real quick, no Drake needed. Keep on watching for more tips to spice things up. Before we start, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you. Here are the 10 tiny decor changes to make your room feel all fresh and new again. Number 1. Bring in a plant. The smallest little bit of green life in your space can make the overall room aesthetic a lot nicer. And having to care for those plant BBs make you a more responsible human. So, overall, plants are wonderful. Number 2. Add a mirror. Not only will you catch more glimpses of your beautiful self without turning your phone camera on, but you'll get more light bouncing around in the room, which can make a room look bigger. Number 3. Hang some wall art. A bare wall is nice for people with an ultra-minimal design. But for the rest of us, they're a little dull. Hang one big piece, put up a few small items in an interesting way, or go all out and make a gallery wall. If framing artwork is out of your budget, you can get creative with washi tape and DIY printouts of pictures from the internet. Number 4. Change up your lighting scheme. Overhead lighting is fine, but if it's your only light source, you could be doing better. Get a table lamp or a floor lamp to get light coming from different heights around your room. Candles are great for romantic mood lighting and can make your room smell phenom. Number 5. Rearrange your furniture layout. I've been doing this since elementary school. Weird flex? Whenever I get bored with a room but don't have new furniture funds, I move everything around. And while some rooms only work with furniture organized one specific way, many can handle a radically different arrangement. Number 6. Put down a rug. A rug gives structure to a space wherever you throw it. In addition to softening footfall and adding warmth and texture to the floor, an area rug helps ground a room and the furniture in it, otherwise all your stuff is just sort of floating. Even a small rug in your kitchen or in your entryway can be a game changer. Or you can layer multiple rugs in one space for added pattern and visual interest. Number 7. Accessorize a surface. Accumulate chicks with caution, but when you have some surface space to play with, be it on your mantle, vanity, or bookshelf, it's always fun to add a few decorative accessories to make a vignette. Number 8. Toss a throw pillow on it. A chair can go from being cold to inviting with just the addition of a comfy pillow. And as long as you have places to put them, pillows can go pretty much anywhere, from the floor to a bench to a sofa to a bed. Number 9. Make your bed. It sounds so dumb, but the payoff for doing this one super tiny thing will be huge. For starters, you'll feel accomplished first thing in the morning. And when you're untucking everything to go to sleep, you'll feel so much nicer about life. Obviously, it'll instantly make an untidy room look much neater. Number 10. Clean up after yourself in general. Waiting to clean until your room or your house until it's so shameful even you can't bear to see it anymore is maybe a bad strategy. Take a few minutes to put clothes away instead of leaving them on the floor or on your clothes pile chair. Wipe off countertops each time they get disgusting, not after, like, the 10th time, and clear up the clutter whenever it starts to build. You might not notice the impact it makes on your life on a daily basis, but it will be much less of a pain in the long run. Seriously, small things can do wonders. Right? I'd like you to make your rooms fresh and clean while waiting for the quarantine to be lifted. That's a good way to keep yourself busy and productive. This is a great #stay-at-home activity. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.